Alrighty, so in this video, we're not gonna work on this explore page. So real quick, let's go back to our code. And you're gonna create a new component. Let's go to PHP artisan, make Livewire explore. We used to create a component and a blade file for it. So after doing that, we can now go to our web here in our routes. Right here in this route middleware group auth, we can simply let's move this route. Let's cut that, let's paste it inside here, and also let's paste it one more time. So here now this will be explore. Here make sure you call the explore Livewire component, this one, and remove this middleware auth since we already have middleware auth here as a route group, and remove that middleware auth. After that, you can simply call this one name home, this one name explore. Now this is going to create an explore link and route, and we don't need this dashboard, so you can just comment that out. Alright, after doing that, we can now, let's go to our sidebar, because our sidebar currently we have not really worked on it extensively. Right now it's just a template, and we'll get into this later in our later videos. For now, we can simply go to the explore, this one here, and you're going to add a link to the explore page. And here we can say route explore. And now if we go back, refresh the page, right here, if you see on the left side, when I click on explore, we're going to go to our explore page, which is currently empty. Okay, so now before I start working on this, let's just, here on the left side, we are on the explore page, but we have no indication that we are actually on the page that we're on. So let's go ahead and put some highlighting to our side menu. So in here, in the side menu, if you downloaded it, I actually already got the SVGs, which is here. Some of them are commented out. So in here, we're gonna create an if statement. All right, let's just move this to the top for now. In here, all right, and we can just comment and uncomment this like that. So here, let's create an if statement. If else, you're gonna get the global request. So you can say request route is explore, and then we're gonna show this SVG that we just uncommented, or else show the other SVG, which is the normal one. Format that. All right. After this is done, now we can go ahead and copy this route is here in the class. Okay, let's add a few classes. You paste that. If explore is true, and then we're gonna say font bold. For else, we'll show this font medium. Yes, actually, that we can simply remove this medium font like that. All right, now this is gonna highlight this one. If we go and refresh, you see that here it's gonna change on the left. All right, awesome. Now we're being highlighted here, but we have not yet worked on this home. So let's go ahead and edit other links and pages too. So here you can simply copy this request route is. Here, let's go to the top, to the home. Here in the home, this SVG, let's create if route is home, then we can add this SVG, or else the one I commented out, you can add this one. Also format that. In here, just as we did on the explore, let's also copy this class. All right, in here, copy this, and let's go to our home in here. Just remove this font extra bold, paste that, and in here, change this to home. All right, now if you go and refresh, now see that the home is no longer highlighted. Now if I click on the home, okay, right now it's now highlighted. If I go back to explore, it's going to be highlighted too. So that's it. And now before we close, let's go ahead and add wire navigate, just as we did in the other videos. Here, add wire navigate for a full SPA navigation. Copy this wire navigate, and then paste it in the explore right here. And in here, copy this class, come down to the profile, and add it here. Remove this here. If route is home, profile home, then we're gonna show this. And here also add wire, navigate. Now if we refresh the page, awesome, nice, working fine. We can go to our profile without actually refreshing the page. We can go back to our home and we're getting that full SPA page reload. Alright, so I think that's it for this video. Now in our next one, we're not going to start working on this explore page. So see you in the next one.